as one of humankind's oldest tools. Shovels were primarily used for serious excavation works since it was first invented. With time, shovels became modern. Though nothing can replace the use of a shovel, shovels are not just shovels anymore. With the integration of multiple tools such as hatchets, fire starters, knives, and many more, shovels became even more usable, practical, and ultimately convenient for the users. Annihilate F-A3 from Zune Lotoo is such a multi-purpose shovel, which is amazingly useful for a survival tool or as a standalone survival weapon, you might say. We have used this heavy-duty survival shovel for a couple of months and thought, why don't we make a review? So we've discussed everything about the Zune Lotoo Annihilate F-A3 survival shovel and made a video review of it. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in. Chengdu Zune Lotoo Intelligent Technology Company Limited, also known as Zune Lotoo, was established in 2014. Headquartered in Chengdu, China, Zune Lotoo works relentlessly to design, develop, and manufacture shovels, knives, and undergear. They maintain rigorous quality checking. That's why their shovel quality is considered to be superior compared to other available options. Okay, today we have the Annihilate F-A3 survival camping shovel with us. As you can see, it comes in a military bag or pouch made out of 600D Oxford fabric. This pouch feels quite comfortable, so let's see what we have inside the pouch. When you open the package, you'll see there are compartments for different parts and tools. First of all, you'll get a user manual with a detailed illustration of the shovel, its accessories, and how to assemble it. As you can see from the user manual, this shovel comes with many heating accessories. Well, this model we have with us from Zune Lotoo is called the F-A3. We need to assemble it, but each and every part of this shovel looks very heavy duty already. Built with stainless steel and aircraft grade aluminum, this does not feel like a cheap build by any means. The shovel head adopts precision foundry technology made of mertensitic stainless steel by 100% molding and casting. This is a process that takes almost 1 month to complete. And when you take the shovel head out of its distinctive military pouch, you'll see it's covered in some oil to protect it from rust, which is a nice touch. Its handles, or as you can see, the parts of the handle are constructed from aircraft grade aluminum that makes it durable yet not very heavy. Besides, when you take the parts in your hand, you'll feel the quality. This kind of build ultimately results in a powerful, durable, and reliable tool with a hardness rating of 52-55 hardness Rockwell C. It passes professional weight tests during the design process, and we found out it weighs somewhere around 3.6 pounds. We think a Zune Lotoo is very careful about its weight because it's not too heavy, but if too light, you cannot really cut and dig. This is in fact a compact all-around survival tool. It will help you do a significant number of chores in a convenient way. For instance, you want it to be your ex, you can easily cut branches, split logs, prepare wood, and shelter when you're out in the wilderness. The shovel head has an adequate thickness so that it can withstand rugged use with grooves and sharp edges, and you can quickly adjust the shovel head angle from 0 to 135 degree by 7 shifts using one button according to your needs, and you can do your digging without any discomfort. Do not get confused about its durability, as it has got a foldable mechanism because this shovel angle joint can bear up to 450 kilograms of weight. It'll support your weight even if you are a full-grown adult. We tested their claim and stood on the shovel several times. Surprisingly, the shovel is super durable. We used it for a couple of months, used it as an axe, like spade, and we tried to torture it. And even after hard use, it was still alright. Well, let's not forget that it has a knife, a spearhead point, a survival whistle, and a wire saw. It even comes with a magnesium rod that you can use to start a fire using the provided knife or spearhead point. And finally, at the very end of the shovel, you will find camera support in the form of an attachment point. If necessary, this shovel can also be used as a monopod for your camera. The Zune Lotoo has put a lot of thought into making this shovel, not just an ordinary shovel, but something more than that. With a thoughtful and purpose-driven design, this shovel is meant to be a standalone survival survival weapon. The Zune Lotoo Annihilate F-A3 survival shovel will be a perfect companion for your camping and outdoor exploration. This shovel can withstand heavy blows because its heavy-duty steel features a lightweight design for a shovel of this kind. This makes it perfect for chopping wood, breaking through brick, and is easily used for shoveling. This multi-purpose tool will definitely aid you in dire situation, help you prepare your campsite, and significantly increase your chances of survival. It'll also be great for hiking, hunting, fishing, off-roading, disaster recovery, and so on. So this was a review about the Zune Lotoo Annihilate F-A3 survival camping shovel. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and share it with your friends if you found this video helpful.